Hi, Tom here. In this short circle line Optical video, I will show you one way to add depth to your landscape drawings using one of the simplest techniques, atmospheric perspective, using high contrast tonal values in the foreground and softer tonal values at a distance. The first step is to draw the nearest ridge of a landscape, just as a simple outline, and then a path that narrows towards a distant building on the ridge. Next, using a softer outline, we can draw a series of hills into the distance. And add a river between the foreground and the background. You could add some simple outlines of storm clouds in the sky. Once you have outlined your landscape, draw a few smaller details, maybe 2 or 3 boats on the side of the riverbank. Once you have an outline for all of the shapes in your landscape, then it is time to add some of the tonal values. For this drawing, I'm using a 4B pencil, but any dark soft pencil would work well. The first step is to shade in the foreground area, using the darkest tone that your pencil can create, but don't shade in the pathway. So in this way, you'll be creating a contrast between the dark tones of the foreground and the very light tone of the pathway. Once you have these dark tones in place, including the building and the boats, then shade in the more distant landscape, making sure that each hill ridge that you shade in is a flat tone and they get lighter as they recede towards the distance. Now we have the basic atmospheric shading of a landscape, using darkest tones and sharper contrasts in the foreground. We generally pay more attention to high contrast things because most often they are in the foreground. Next, we could add some tonal values to the clouds and the sky. You could use a range of midtones, not really dark tones and not really light tones, just sort of midway tones. You could also use an eraser to smudge these tones and the edge of the clouds, that we often see a large landscape fade away into the far distance. Please subscribe for more weekly drawings and join my online drawing course, How to Draw from Scratch, if you'd like to learn more. To do that, please visit circlelineoptical.com.